Keeping it simple and cute. Alright, hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and thumbs this video up even though I didn't do anything yet. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. Is it this way or is it this way? One of those sides. Today I'm just going to do a makeup tutorial. I did just get a new Morphe palette. Morphe, I don't know. It's the new 35M Boss palette, and I like this because the little plastic piece that comes on the top, oh my god, the plastic piece that comes on the top has like the little names and stuff, so that's cute. But yeah, I'm just gonna be doing a makeup look today, so let's get right into it. Okay, starting off, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty primer. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow pomade. If it'll focus. Come on. Come on. Alright, had to switch my camera around because that was just not working out. But I'm about to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow pomade in the color Ebony. Do my eyebrows.
Most of these niggas be wildin' like shit. I look at every day like payday. Get the cash, smoke a J, I'm on the highway. I gotta get my way. Remember them days pocket show with the
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up these brows with my Sephora Bright Future Concealer in Payday Creme. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original and prime my eyelids. Alright, I'm going to take this brown here. It's called Peachy Keen. And I'm gonna start the crease with that one. Alright, so now I'm gonna take Green with Envy and deepen the crease some more. Okay, I'm gonna take the green right next to it, Nude Tude, and buff that out and blend it. Okay, I'm gonna cut the crease with my Other Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. Alright, so I'm gonna take this glitter hot stuff in my inner, like this area. Alright, I'm gonna take this glitter right here, Electric Energy, and keep moving out towards the outer lid. Alright, so I'm gonna take a little bit of Hello Sunshine next. into the outer with Talk Dirty. Alright, I think I'm gonna do a little white line for the half cut I did. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my e.l.f. cream liner and do my wing. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Born This Way foundation in the color Spiced Rum. Okay, now I'm taking the Born This Way concealer in Toffee, and I'm just gonna do my highlighted areas. Alright, I'm gonna bake with my Mercier setting powder in translucent medium deep. Alright, I'm gonna take my black Radiance pressed powder in Ebony and I'm going to contour. Yo, some niggas ain't getting billed. No niggas on the boat like they taking sales. Trying to be overseas like a ship to sail. Why they hate on me, I just wish them will. All this weed, I might make a sale. Niggas been ballin' trying to get the shit. No niggas trying game, but won't take a risk. Most of these bitches be lying and shit. Okay, back into the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go on my bottom lid with this purple Power Slayer. Most of these niggas be wildin' like shit. I look at every day like payday. Get the cash, smoke a J, I'm on the highway. I gotta get it my way. Remember them days, pocket show with the long face. You know I had to make a way. Young nigga get to it. Monday to Sunday, you niggas out here. Alright, so I'm going to highlight with bronze. Remember them days, pocket show with the long face. You know I had to make a way. Young nigga get to it. Monday to Sunday, you niggas out here bumming. Can't talk to me, I need that shit, I'm like underlay. Alright, then I'm just taking my Fenty Gloss Bomb. Keeping it simple and cute. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I'll do a close-up in a second, but thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs this video up if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. Slay Baddie Hair Co. sale still going on. All the information is down below in the description under the hair section as well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me at that business email, slaybaddiehelp@gmail.com. And yeah, follow all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. All that's going to be on the next screen and right down below in the description for you. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. See you in my next video. Payday.